Hi everyone, I will show you how to make your account private. First of all, open your Instagram app, tap to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right, tap setting and privacy, scroll down, account privacy, tap the private account and tap switch to public. Now go to your profile, you can see the log in the top left. Now your account is private.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.